okay?
Excuse me?
You're gonna be placed.
You need my entire life. I just.
Okay, well, can you go over there? You're in the middle of the road.
Okay, what's your name, officer?
Sergeant Moore.
Sergeant Moore.
You're gonna have the option. Get on the sidewalk now.
December 13th, 2021. Maitland Police spot a car swerving and cutting off traffic. Behind the wheel, a woman just off work admits she's had drinks at the bar before leaving. What begins as a simple traffic stop quickly turns into a DUI investigation, with field sobriety tests, questions about her health, and a growing tension between her and the officers.
Yeah, where are you coming from tonight?
Work?
Oh yeah, where you work at?
Oh, bartender.
Oh yeah, where at? I want to make sure you're good to drive, okay? Because based upon the way you were driving, kind of some things I'm noticing.
No, of course.
So I'd like to do some field sobriety with you. You're okay with that?
No, absolutely. Yeah.
Different. Do you have any medical problems?
No, I just have like anxiety and depression, but other than that, I don't have
high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Okay, but you don't feel like your blood sugar's low right now?
No, I mean, I just had some juice. I'm good.
Okay,
Should be good. No, I mean, I just had some juice.
Right here, the stop takes a turn. The officer begins what's called a DUI investigation, asking about medical history and medications. Notice how the questions move from casual to probing. This is a critical moment because everything the driver says from here can be used against her in court.
Do you take any medication? What was you said your pen? What do you take?
Just a pen. I don't have it on me right now, but like I said, I just have like sugar, like pills on me, or just some
glucose?
juice.
Okay, but what's the pen? Insulin? So are you diabetic or you?
Correct.
So you're type 1 or type 2?
Type 1.
You're type 1 diabetic? Okay. You only check your blood sugar once a day?
It depends on how I'm feeling, honestly. I'm really anxious about like the way I feel, so I do it often.
How long
I have
you been
these
type 1
strips.
diabetic?
A few years.
Because I'm type 1 diabetic. So what kind of insulin do you take?
I mean, I don't know. I just my mom takes care of all of this. Honestly, I just like do whatever mom does.
Okay, because generally you take 2 types of insulin. Do you take 2 different types or just one? Or
honestly, I don't know. I'm like very babied by my mother. I don't know.
All right.
I only have my mom.
Any other medical problems?
I know, that's it, sir.
But you don't have the glucose meter with you or anything?
I know.
No. Okay. Good.
100%.
Anything wrong with your knees, ankles, back, feet, and hips?
I mean, I'm a server. I'm just like.
But
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm pretty athletic, yes. Yeah.
All right. So what I want you to do is I'm gonna have you stand here and face your car.
Okay.
So just right here. So because I gotta. All right. So what I want you to do is put your feet all the way together.
Okay.
Relax your arms to your side. So now how you do is keep your head completely still, and I want you to follow my finger with your eyes only. Do you understand?
Correct.
All right. So the finger okay? All right.
2.
2, and what were they?
Jameson Ginger.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna grab some tape real quick so we can walk around. Do you have good balance on those shoes? Hold on to this for me. Let me turn around. Go ahead and put your hand on the ground for me. Thank you. All right. So what I'd like you to do is go put your left foot on the line, put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Relax your arms to your side, just like this. Stay in that position until I tell you to. Do not start until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, when I tell you, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. On your 9th step, you're gonna keep your front foot on the line. You're gonna turn around by taking a series of small steps, and you're gonna take 9 more heel to toe steps back down the line. So you understand so far?
Yes, sir.
Once you start, I don't want you to stop until you've completed the exercise.
Okay.
Look at your feet while you walk. Keep your arms at your side at all times. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. All right. You may begin whenever you'd like.
Okay.
Just like I explained.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2. I'm very good at my balance. I'm sorry. 1, 2.
All right. Next thing what I want you to do is put your feet all the way together, relax your arms to your side. When I tell you to, I want you to raise whatever foot you like, approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Okay.
So it's going to be just like this. Both legs completely straight, your foot parallel, arms at your side. You're going to look at your elevated foot, you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
you're asking me to raise my foot and count to 1001, 1002, 1003
Yep.
until you tell me to stop. Yeah.
Yep. So if you accidentally put your foot down, I don't want you to, but if you accidentally do, raise it right back up and continue.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Don't sway, don't raise your arms for balance, and don't hop. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right. If you understand everything, you may begin whenever you'd like.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
1001,
Look at your foot for me.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016.
All right, you can stop. On a scale from 0 to 10, 0 meaning that you're completely sober, and 10 meaning that you were the drunkest you've ever been in your entire life, where would you put yourself?
2.2. 2.2.
After field sobriety test, the officer tells her she is impaired. But here's the key. She rated herself only a 2.2 out of 10 on the drunk scale. This is where opinion meets legal judgment and often becomes the heart of DUI defense arguments.
Okay, do you feel buzzed?
Very lightly, yeah.
Okay, do you feel drunk?
No.
No, okay, all right. Unfortunately, you are impaired, okay, so you are going to be placed on arrest for DUI, okay?
Excuse me?
You're going to be placed on arrest for DUI, all right? So you're going to be taken down to the DUI center.
Wait,
Charged
hold
with
on.
DUI. 30 minutes, 10, 15, signal 1.
You're ruining my life.
You've had too much to drink tonight.
You're ruining my entire life. I just lost my statistics scores.
I can't understand you, I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
You've had too much to drink and drive tonight.
You can give me the chance to have this. Somebody drive me home. Are you serious right now?
Yeah, we're past that. So, what's going to happen? He's going to take you down, okay?
That's fine. Can you just please let go of me? I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm not gonna go anywhere.
What?
I live right here at the Maitland apartment.
Okay, well, can you go over there? You're in the middle of the road.
I mean, sorry.
Who are you?
I live in there right here.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a minute. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Okay, just give me a second. I'll talk to you.
You're ruining my entire life. Get off of me.
You're gonna get charged with resistance.
Get off. I'm not resisting.
You
You're
are
hurting
resisting.
me.
Come
You're
on.
literally. Although, can you
Walk.
videotape this,
Then
please?
walk.
You're
Walk.
hurting me.
Walk then.
You're hurting me. Okay,
Walk.
can you stop? You're hurting me.
Walk.
I'm walking. You're hurting
not
me.
walking.
I
Walk.
am. Stop. You're hurting me.
Walk.
Okay, then stop.
Walk.
You're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you. You're not
Stop
walking.
it. My wrist. My wrist. My
Walk.
wrist.
Walk.
Oh, you're gonna get fucking
Why aren't
fired.
you walking?
Because my wrist.
What's wrong with your wrist? He doesn't even have.
They're catching red. I'm not even doing anything wrong.
We're not even holding your
Oh,
wrist.
but you have me
Have a
on
seat.
handcuffs.
Have a seat.
You have me on handcuffs and they're
Have a seat. I'll check them.
so tight. Please, you're really not. I'm supposed
They're
to
not
be a
tight.
doctor, please.
Stay over there.
Please, I'm supposed to be a doctor.
It is a public road, but you can't walk up on us. Get on the sidewalk.
Right here. I'm
Get on the sidewalk now.
There's a car. I'm gonna come over right now. I'm gonna get over.
Okay. Do not walk behind us. Do not walk up on us.
I'm not walking
Okay.
behind you guys.
Go stand over there. You can stand over there. Get off. Get out of the road.
I'm away from.
Get over there on the road. Get out of the road.
I'm out of the room.
Goodness gracious.
Fuck you.
Sir, can I please get an officer name and a badge number? Please look at me with your body camera and look at me. Officer name and a badge number.
Listen, you gotta stop kicking, okay, and hitting.
You just ruined my life. How do you want me to respond? How do you want me to respond? I'm supposed to be a doctor and you just ruined my life. How am I supposed to respond? I just lost my license. I just lost my license because I had two
made that
fucking
choice.
drinks. Oh, because I had two drinks
You're
and
gonna
I said
have
I'm
the
2.4 boss.
You're gonna have. You had more. You're gonna
You
have.
don't know. You don't know that.
You're gonna have the option.
You're just
I
making
know
that assumption. No, you don't.
I do
No, you
not.
don't.
So you're
Okay,
gonna have the
better
option.
bring what's your name, officer?
Sergeant Moore.
Sergeant Moore.
You're gonna have the option
Sergeant
to take
Moore.
a breath test and prove me wrong. Okay?
I'm good.
You're gonna have an option. Okay?
Oh, you need backup?
Well, you're gonna have to get searched by a female.
That's fine.
Okay, that's what's here.
That's
what
fine. I don't have
here.
anything to hide.
Okay, but that's
Sergeant
just
Moore, but
protocol.
can I please ask you a real question,
What?
please?
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Listen,
Is this your boyfriend? Who is this?
yes, please don't mind him, please. He doesn't need to get in
I
trouble.
understand, yeah. I'm just ignoring him right now, but okay. Listen, I'm not trying to be mean to you. You made a mistake tonight. Okay, you had too much to drink. It's a misdemeanor. This is not going to ruin your life. This is not going to prevent you from being. This is not going to prevent you from being a medical doctor.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
It's gonna cost me $10,000.
I can't answer that. I don't know if it's going to cost you that much.
Yes, it is. Because my father's an alcoholic.
You're good. What?
My dad's an alcoholic.
Okay.
And I've seen it happen.
Then
They ruined his life.
Okay, but please don't kick. Okay, you're going to cause damage to the police car. You're going to get charged for that.
Please,
Okay.
please, can you just please?
We're going to get you out and get you searched on the other side there. Okay.
Can you just please answer? Like,
What do you want to know?
how do you have the courage to do it?
Do what?
Ruin people's lives.
I'm not ruining your life. I'm protecting you from not killing yourself or someone else by drinking and driving.
Here.
You're very impaired. You're very impaired.
No.
You are. Then prove me wrong. Take a breath test and prove me wrong. I promise you, you're very impaired. This is not personal. I'm not trying to be mean to you. We're going to give you all the information. You're going to have all our names. You're going to have everything. Okay?
My mom's safe.
Okay, I understand. All right, so just give us a few minutes. We're going to get you out. Okay? Okay, and where were you born?
In 1980.
No, where?
Mexico.
Mexico, where in Mexico?
Chihuahua, like the dog.
Okay, and how much do you weigh?
130.
130? Okay, thank you. Yes.
On that notepad. Stop.
What would you like?
Can you please write all of the officers' badge numbers?
It's gonna be on the paperwork.
Can I get it now? Can you hand it to him?
No, I'm not gonna hand it to him. No.
Why not?
I'm not dealing with him.
Why not? Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Can you hand it to me?
No. You're gonna get hit.
Question! What is his badge number? She has the right to know! Mark! She has the right to know! That is a legal right of a U.S. citizen to know the badge number of the officer arresting her at the moment. What is the
Get battery out here.
What she do? Well, you could charge her with that.
What is wrong with you guys? That is 110. You have
She's
the
getting
right
charged
to
with a
know.
felony now.
She has the right to know.
You think this is the right
Sir, please
Close the door.
Are you serious?
Please tell me, officer, turn around. You legal worker.
Take a deep breath, Richard. What's she doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
What's your
You're gonna
name?
get pepper spray.
What's your
You're gonna get
name?
pepper spray.
Tensions boil over. The officer repeatedly warns her to get in the car, even threatening pepper spray. This moment shows the rapid escalation that can happen once an arrest is in progress. Compliance becomes the only option, whether you agree with the arrest or not.
Get in the car. You're gonna get
Are you
pepper
gonna
spray.
tell me your name or no?
Yeah, my name's Sergeant Moore. This is
And
Officer
what
Saunders.
is her name?
She's with Eatonville. She doesn't work with us. She's
What
just
is
here to
her?
search you.
Okay, then why does she touch
We'll
me?
give it everything to you.
Then why does she touch
Because she
me?
has to.
Despite claiming she only had 2 drinks, officers decide she's impaired. Tensions rise as she refuses to cooperate, demands badge numbers, and resists getting into the patrol car. Threatened with pepper spray, she's arrested for DUI, battery, and resisting arrest. In the end, she's sentenced to 15 months probation, fined $1,000, and left with a permanent mark on her record. A reminder that one night, a few drinks, and one bad choice can change your life forever.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.